Good day, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future. Trade in all our videos for educational purpose only. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal as long as you're on SIM. We're not responsible for your trade, and we're not your financial advisor. It was a really wild ride this morning, this last hour. 1 minute was long, short, and now long, and now short again. And we are staying on the short, and we are a long way from the institutional. Today is a Friday. The institutional number is 52.19. We are a long way from home at this moment. For the Nasdaq, there is much more chances to hit a target for the morning session, 18,432 and 18,397. It is achievable at this moment for the morning. But for the ES, it's been playing back and forth, and it's not strong short because you still have some higher time frame to the positive side, which the ES is not really responding. Actually, few minutes ago, the Nasdaq and the ES, that were going in the opposite direction. The Autotrade was taking long trade on the ES and short position on the Nasdaq, and both they are making money. But when they are both going on two different directions, usually there is volatility in the market because they have to go to the same direction. So right now the Nasdaq is facing a little problem with the support area. There is a double support area at 18,503. Once we break it, we are most likely going to achieve this target, 18,431 by 11 o'clock plus minus 5 minutes. The thing is, with the ES, it's not really going very well with the Nasdaq. It just fired a reversal. It can touch the 5240, but I don't see it yet is able to break below the 5240. So it doesn't matter what type of an auto trade you are using, you have to be careful with your trade, actually, with that. For the market analyzer, it just took that trade on the 22 ticks. On the market analyzer is one lot. We are using two on the auto trade, and the market analyzer estimating the target 52.42 for that trade. So this is okay. This is okay for that trade. So this is one system estimating, and then what you do, if you want to, you can break even, or you let the auto trade do it for you, whatever you want. He can put it on the fib zone by itself automatically once it hit those numbers. He can do it. For the CL from the market analyzer, we are about to hit the final target on the CL, which the CL is 7770. And if we look at the market analyzer, there is 5 different auto trade on the market analyzer. This one on the market analyzer is based on one contract. It is 410, and we have 2 contracts, so it is double the amount, is 82 ticks, so here it is. So this is the CL, and then now the YM jump into the long trade. Wow. Okay, that's very fast. Okay. And actually there is no long trade, but the YM auto trade switch direction immediately, and we will see. On the Nasdaq and ES, you don't have a long trade. That means you don't have a long trade on the YM. Be careful. You do not have long trade on the Nasdaq, and you do not have a long trade on the ES, so you gotta be careful. We'll see what happened. Nothing we can do. You do not have long trade on the ES. You should not allow your auto trade. Is irrelevant where your auto trade coming from. You should not allow your auto trade to take a long trade on a YM, ES, and NASDAQ. You have a re-entry point at 18,573 on the Nasdaq. We're not your financial advisor, so do whatever you want. And we have a re-entry point on the ES 5258. So, and I don't like the 5258 because there is a resistance in between, and if the ES went above to the 5258, this resistance is going to be support, which can make a little problem. So I'm not too crazy about the re-entry on the ES. Well, we hit the almost 10,000 on the Nasdaq, and we are about to hit, as we told you, the Nasdaq target institutional number, profit taken on 18,430. And we are going, this is the morning target, and target 2, 18,398. Target 3 is for the afternoon. For the ES, I'm not sure. We need to see the ES crossing this double resistance, and then we can start looking at those institutional number, target 1 and target 2. So we will monitor those trades on the ES, and we hit target 1, target 2 is coming to the Nasdaq, and we will see if the ES is able to do that. At the beginning, today early, it was short, long, and then one direction. It's amazing. It's the opposite what happened yesterday. If we break that level here, we are a home free to the target 1 and target 2 institutional. If we can break the 52.31, I'm still concerned about that number. The Nasdaq is going down to the target 2. There is no sweat with that, as we said from the beginning. I still have a little doubt on the ES. Until we cross the 52.31, that means we are dropping to the institutional number 52.19 and 52.12. This is our one of our member. This is named Vito, and he's Italian living in England. There we go, target 2, home free, and the ES, and usually they hit around 11 o'clock, and we are 30 minutes left for 11 o'clock, so we are going to the 52.12. And the Nasdaq did beautifully, 13,000 on the Nasdaq, beautiful. I'll call you Vito. We need to find your wife. You're always happy. We need to find your wife. She can ruin it for you. Okay, target 2 hit, and it is a profit taken on target 2, going to target 1, and then the ES we want to see. Seriously, you got the German one? Oh Jesus, what a mess. So an Italian living in England with a German girlfriend. That's a mess. And the trading. Oh Jesus, Vito, you make me laugh. I cannot see German woman with you. You know, you are Italian. They are disciplined, and you are crude. What? Well, the Nasdaq is going to hit target 3, and the ES hit target 1 and 2. There's nothing left for the morning session. It's 10:33. Let's see what time. Usually target 1, target 2 for 11 o'clock. We will see. Well, good luck, Vito, with a German girlfriend. You know, a couple of years ago, I met an Italian guy in Gothenburg, Sweden, and he was very pissed. And I said, "What's wrong with you?" And he said he got a beautiful girlfriend, Swedish girlfriend, but she's making him clean the apartment. And she's making him do the household as well. I said, well, you know, you have to make it. You have to make a choice. You know, you have to have the pain with it. You know, you're dating. You have two options: either go get yourself an ugly one and make you food, or shut up and do the household and enjoy the ride. Anyway, he was really pissed. They were living together, and you know the Italians, they live with their mother, and they take their laundry from their mother to their new wives. So he couldn't handle his head, couldn't handle a Swedish woman. So, well, I hope she dog trained you, that German one. They are disciplined. They are very disciplined. German and blood. Okay, well. Seriously? Wow. Is she taller than you? Wow. Good luck, Vito. I'm so happy for you. Really, I'm happy for you. Jesus. Well, I cannot show that picture on the YouTube. Anyway. Jesus. Why she wants to be with you? Was she abused when she was a child or something? Jesus, Vito. No comment now. You make me laugh. I'm worried about you. She's bigger than you. I'm worried. She's taller than you. Okay. No comment. All right, let's see what's going on here. The reversal start firing up, and it is. You know, we are testing a new update on an Autotrade for your we are testing it still on the sim. We're not you know, we are well, I don't know when we are going to release it, but we are testing some upgrade on one of the Autotrade on the Zone Plus, but we're not going to release it on this Monday. So we are testing it, and I'm testing on the Nasdaq. Is on a base one contract, and you know, this is funny. This is the second round on the CL. and I'm using a normal 2 Renko, a normal 2 Renko, and I'm taking a small trade, just a few ticks, not too much, just a few ticks, and it's taking those. Now I'm gonna be hammered with email. Send me the copy. Well, it's not released yet because I'm still figuring it out. And the ES, I'm using 3-1 Renko bar. I was just half an hour ago, I was testing it on 2 Renko, and we can go on 2 Renko again. And the reason I'm using those small, okay, now it took a trade. I'm using a small one, just a few ticks. I'm testing it, I'm not, there we go. Just in and out of the market, and look, that's how it is. Just open the trade, took $100 and come out. Look, I'm testing it on a Renko bar because we have some traders that want Renko. So it's not going to be released on Monday. There is plenty of updates coming up. The BBT, this one here from the zone. There is a new scalper. There is a lot of updates, but we will release everything in one time. We're not gonna release a little bit at a time. Templates, a new auto trade. There is some kind of like 3 different auto trades we're updating. And what it is, what I'm doing with this one here, it is like sneaking into the market, taking just a few ticks and get out. So for the CL, it's doing fine, just taking a few ticks and get out. Just a break even, hit the 5-10 ticks and get out. And it's doing good. Actually, we can reload it. It's actually doing good on 2 ticks. And I mean, the Renko, you cannot rely on a Renko, but it's just doing well. And I'm testing on our Renko, and we added the buy sell signal in there. Let's take another one. If you take the Russell as an example, what it's doing is taking the buy and a short and then a buy sell signal is taking those trades. So this is coming, maybe we're releasing it not this Monday, maybe the Monday after, I don't know yet. We're still test driving it. And what it does, like, you can see can avoid some sideway in the market, you see, and I'm just using it like on a small trade based on one contract. And what I like about it, like the CL, it's just a small one. When there is a little door open, bang, take a couple ticks and get out. So, and so that's what we've been working on this one. And we're working on a scalper with 3 different type of entry on a scalper. And I don't know what is it, but let me see, what is it? scalper. Oh yeah, here it is. We are what we are doing, we are trying to avoid the sideways market, and this one here we have upgraded. I have not released it either, and also is going to be released, and we have update for this auto trade, the BBT strategy. We have a new update also. We already updated, so there is a plenty of updates coming your direction, and but not this Monday. We've been very busy testing, and but we will be start covering those. There is 3 updates on an auto trade, I think 3 or 4, and we'll find out. But I like this one here. You know, like you can use it on 5 minutes, and it's perfect. The profit factor is amazing. But today I'm trying to test it on just 2 Renko from Ninja Trader, not even our Renko, which I'm not a Renko crazy, but because this one here is reversing the market on a pullback, and maybe we can see it better on the Nasdaq. When you had the buy signal, immediately clicked on it and immediately closed that trade. Okay, here it is, taking another trade, and with a very tight small trade. I mean, it's not, the stop loss is very, very small, and it's reversing the market, and so look, we had this buy signal here, it fell, but you didn't really lose a lot in it, and so I mean, this is very small time frame on a Renko bar, but ooh, wow, you know. Okay, we're hitting target 3, and you have to remember on this one here on the Renko, what it's doing is reversing the market. It's not really, I mean, a Renko is good for reversal. It's not Renko good for trading with the trend, but it is extremely fast, and the whole purpose is in and out of the market within seconds. Jesus. So that's what we are working on, and probably will be released on not this Monday, the Monday after. And the CL is amazing on 2 ticks, in and out. Look, in and out. And when the market is sideways, you can see there is no trades, you see? No filter, nothing, no filter. And this one here, okay, just took a trade. You can see how just snapped in the market, which the market is short. Just reverse the market, take a little bit out, few ticks here and there. I mean, it does not really require optimization. Let me see the Nasdaq. Oh, okay, the Nasdaq took a trade. Now it is 420 on the reversal, reversed the market and took a trade. Fast, very fast. It's very fast trades on those, on this. It's going to be in your zone plus. It's amazing how it took a trade, close it precisely, Let's see if there's any other trade. This is based on 2 Renko. There is no trade right now. Let's see here. Okay, look, he took a trade. You can see it. It was going up. He reversed. I'm not, you know, here it is. Look, 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 look. Perfect. 520. You see? Perfect. So this is going to be released maybe not this Monday, the Monday after. I mean, you can adjust the stop loss and the trailing stop, but I have not. Just turn it on as is, you know. And of course, you can adjust the trailing stop loss on it, but I have not done anything to it. Just testing how the market is behaving. Let's see if there's anything in there. On the CL, there is no trade, yeah? Yeah. On the ES, we're still on. It's really nice. Well, on the swing trading, we got 16 to 15,000. That's not bad. So this is what we are testing right now. I'm testing the scalper. On the scalper, you have 3 different auto trade on the scalper. You can scalp it, you can swing trade it based on a pullback re-entry. And so there is 3 type of scalper in a scalper. Okay. Plus this one here we are testing. But also, you don't have to use a Renko bar. You can, I mean, it's more effective on 4 minutes, 5 minutes. But just for the hell of it, I'm testing it on a Renko bar. We have as few Renko bar lovers. And you know, this is perfect. Has not been taking trades in here. Because if we look at the NASDAQ, already hit target 2 and there is a re-entry here, but it is over. It is over with that trade. And it keeps sneaking in and taking some small trades here and there. And that's why I'm testing the Jesus. This one screen? 4, yeah. Is this 2 screen or a 4th screen? Those are expensive. I wish I can show that. I cannot show that. It's beautiful. Beautiful setup. 249. Wow. This is the way to do it. Yes. 249. Oh, it took another trade in here. You see, we were busy. Took another trade here, and now it's 620. Samsung, yeah, I always use Samsung too. How much you paid for the screen? And this is this auto trade is based on 1 contract. You can put 10 contract if you want to, but I'm using 1 contract on it. And you can see how it's going in and out of the market. It's like snapping in, you know, going in, jump in, take a few ticks and get out. Now, the other one, I mean, the difference between this one here is like a fast rabbit. This one here is swing trade, and you're already up to 16,000 on the Nasdaq, and you are, you know, on the ES you are 6,000. But this one here, it is look like now here this area has not taken any trade, and I'm glad it has not taken any trade. It's just like waiting for an opportunity and starting. Okay, took another trade here. Look at it. Took break even. That's fine. Fast, very fast. I mean, we are using a very small Renko bar. I mean, this one here. It is really fun to watch this one. You know, it's really itchy, hyper auto trade, very hyper auto trade. But of course, my advice to you to 2,700 for one screen or two, Vito? You didn't put it on the German girlfriend's credit card, did you? You're an Italian. You can do that. A blonde on twos. Okay. And also, I mean, when we have a sell signal, it's gonna fail. Some of it is gonna fail. There we go. There we go. I mean, don't forget you are trading reversal. I need to fix the break even immediately on it. Here it is, broke even. I mean, you know, I mean, this is really fun. I really, you know, this one here is fun to put it on a micro and let it be. And, you know, on the Renko bar, taking one trade here at the time. But of course I need to adjust it. I need to adjust the trade and stop the target. But I'm trying to see what is the entries, how the entries handle it in the market. Wow. Yeah, but right now England, the prices become crazy prices on the egg, milk, everything. The steaks, they are crazy expensive. There we go. This is a straight out of the box. I have not optimized it. I have not done anything. The break even needs to be adjusted on the Nasdaq, and we need to get a higher trade, a higher target. But I'm just studying the entry, how it's handling it, and This is straight out of the box. Well, folks, it's 11 o'clock. We wish you really... so this one is coming your direction. Of course, needs to be optimized. I have optimized it on the minutes, and it's the profit factor on the minutes is amazing. You know, if you're using for the Nasdaq, if you use 4 minutes, 5 minutes is amazing signals. And there, if we try to go on 5 minutes, I mean, this one here is just doing it for the show, but on the 5 minutes is doing extremely well. And the 4 minutes, I mean, you know, I don't have the stop loss correct, and but if you take it's excellent, you know. So we are, I'm just messing with it, and today I just felt like I want to mess with a normal Renko bar. You have a Renko bar and Ninja, it's right there. I mean, you don't want to use 2 Renko bar, maybe 6 Renko bar. I'm just testing it, you know, today on a Renko bar, because we have a lot of Renko bar lovers, and they're just trying to test it to see, you know, like this one here should have went, but needs to be adjusted, of course, you know. Yes. Yeah. Anyway, it's coming here to your direction. We're still testing, and it is very successful auto trade. It will be on your Zone Plus, and we're coming out with a new scalper. Have 3 different auto trades, and we are updating this one. We finished with the updates. We tested. It's good, and I don't remember all of it, but I think right now we have like 21, 22 auto trades in your package. Even on the 6 Renko, it is amazing. Let's try. I mean, guys, we are just testing. Okay, let's try 10, because we have a few Renko lovers. This is good. When you see it's not taking trades here, this is good news. We can use range. I have not tried range yet. It's calculating. Always the range take longer. Wow. Just 3 days. Okay, it's not good. Let's try 10 range. But we need to adjust the stop loss and the trading stop. This is just straight out of the box. Yeah, need to be adjusted. Well, let's go back to the small Renko bar. I'm gonna put it on a normal Renko bar, Ninja Trader Renko bar, and we are going to put it on 6. Let's keep it on 4. Let's see, because the stop loss and the trailing stop, they are based for the ES, they're not for the Nasdaq. You need to adjust it. But here it is. The setting is for the ES, it's not for the Nasdaq. But this is really fun with this one. It's pleasant. Okay, burger time. I'm so happy for you, Vito. You got yourself a German one. And you know, the German and the Scandinavian, when they get upset, they tell you, I'm upset, you know, and then they hold it for a couple of 3 months. They don't forgive you immediately. If you take in a South American woman, you might see some stuff flying around the house, and then you make love, and then everything is okay. But when you're dealing with a Scandinavian or a German, when they say they are upset, that means they are really upset. I mean, really upset, you know. So, okay, guys, before I get in trouble, I wish you a very, very nice weekend. And of course, and we wish you the best luck. We hit target 3 on the Nasdaq. Everything is okay, and now it's 11 o'clock. We are heading right on time. Let's take this one out, because now I'm gonna be hammered with the traders. They want it. We are coming right on time on the ES at 52.19, target 1. And here it is, but we already finished the ES trade, and right now is 11:07, and here is the ES headed right on time at 11 o'clock, plus minus 5-10 minutes. We're done. The Nasdaq, there is nothing left in the Nasdaq. There is one thing maybe some of you don't know. When you enter the 2 yellow line here, this means there is no more short trade. It is a reversal. And when you enter the yellow lines here, this means there is no more long trade, it's only a reversal. So doesn't matter what type of auto trade you are using, most likely you purchase an auto trade from a guy cannot even trade a paperback. So you remember those yellow lines, especially our members, when the market entered those 2 yellow lines, you should not initiate any short trades anymore, please. Please, you know. So the Nasdaq is finished. The ES is hitting target 3. The Nasdaq 17,000 and still kicking. And here it is, 17,000. And I don't see the Nasdaq going any farther down. And the CL is on from the market analyzer. It's a couple thousand, and look, adjusted the trailing stop by itself. Adjusted the trailing stop by itself. So this is good. You know, this Nasdaq, the one we are testing right now, he just whacked a trade with $100 right there. You see it? He reversed it, and he took the trade, and it is here. It is $100 immediately. And based on one contract, we are testing on one contract, and this one is just a normal 4 Renko bar. It's too small for Nasdaq, but we are testing it under stress. You know, we want to stress the auto trade to see how it's going to function, and it looked like it's going to reverse the market again. So we're still testing, and we're not going to release again. Please, to all the members, should not send me email, tell me send it, because we're still testing. I don't know what time frame I need to give you. I really have not had optimization, but today, for the hell of it, I turned it on a Renko, which everybody knows is not a secret. I don't like Renko bars, but because it's a reversal, Renko bars are good for reversal, so I'm having fun looking at it on a Renko bar. But when I'll be making template, I will give you template in minutes. Yeah, you know, I don't want you to have a good time, so I will give you templates in minutes. I'm not gonna give you templates in Renko bar. Let me see if it's going to reverse. Should reverse. This is funny because you don't know the next trick, if it's going to reverse the market short or buy. Most likely it's going to be to buy direction. Let's see. I mean, it's for Renko. This is going to be fun. Now I cannot even, because it's a Renko bar, I cannot even predict if he's going to take short or long anymore. If you look at the minute, of course, the direction is short, so should, because it's a reversal auto trade, so the trend is short, so the auto trade should take buy order because it's a reversal. So let's see if he's gonna take the buy order. And there is no filter, guys. There is no filter. So when he skip there we go, buy. Yes, I knew it is going to be buy. Look at this little crap. I mean, look at the stop loss is made for ES. It's not made for the Nasdaq. It's just a 10-15 takes, but it is something else. It's really. I'm enjoying watching this one here all morning, and it's gonna take a long trade again. Let me, to our traders, let me give you the concept here. If we take any on the ES or anything, sometimes, which we have auto trade for reversals as well. This is a different reversal. But when the market start firing a reversal, this means there is a fatigue in the market, and it is a matter of time before we can turn around. So if one of the signal fell, it does not mean maybe another signal is going to fall, but then when it is going to reverse, it's going to reverse. I mean, those signals, they're not going to show randomly. They're going to show when there is a trend exhausting, and then it's gonna take the reversal. It's not gonna just like a stupid ATR, nothing. It's just a dumb moving average above or below. You know, we are in 2024. We're not in a donkey age anymore to use a moving average on an auto trade. Not in 2024. You have to have, because you have to think about it. You are dealing with moving average auto trade, and even if you add on it momentum MACD, you're still using basic from the late 80s, and right now there is many codes, many smart codes. You don't just stay on the same moving averages and momentum and MACDs. Combine all those three, and you think you're gonna get away with it. You're not gonna get away with anything. So So the reversal, the Renko bars are good for reversal, but not trading with the trend. You know, you cannot make a future trading with the trend on the Renko, even our Renko bar, no. But for reversal, they are excellent. Range and Renko bar, they are very good for reversal if you know how to reverse the market. A couple of years ago, one of our members, he was in some kind of room, and he asked him about the reversal, and that idiot said there is no such a thing called reversal in the trading. And he told me, come and listen to this idiot, you know. And the money is in the reversal, not trading with the trend. And this guy, he did not know that the money is in the reversal. Because he's basic. And here is what it is. He's charging money to teach how to trade. Jesus. And he don't think there is a reversal in the market. So, yeah. Okay, let's exit today and enjoy our weekend before I get in trouble. Wish everyone a nice weekend, and we'll see you all on. Let me see if it's gonna reverse. No, it's not. Okay, have a nice weekend.